Breakfast time. Good morning. Breakfast time. Good morning. Time to eat. How are you all doing today? Happy Monday. Happy New Week, everyone. We are about to eat some breakfast this morning and then we go by our day. We are about to eat some breakfast. We are about to eat some breakfast. Thanks everyone. How are you all doing today? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yeah, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I appreciate each and every one of you so much for joining. How was your night? How was your day? Have you eaten breakfast? Have you eaten your lunch? Did you have a good night? Today gonna be a great day. Today gonna be an amazing day, okay? Yes, today gonna be a great day. Today will be an amazing day. Do not lose hope. Do not give up. God got you. All right. We pray for a blessed day. Yes. I'm about to eat some of my breakfast.